Welcome. This video was created to answer the top 5 questions that we receive from our customers and subscribers via Facebook and email. How do I see what I ordered? There's different transaction codes that you can use to see what you ordered in the system. I'm going to be talking about the 3 main transaction codes that can be used for unit supply personnel. Those transaction codes are MB25, ME5 Alpha, and ZProstat. MB25 can be used to see all of your reservations in the system. Anytime you place an item on order in the system, whether it's operational basic load or your shortages, a reservation number is assigned to it, and you can see all of your reservations in MB25. ME5 Alpha, that transaction code shows you a list of all your purchase requisitions. ZProstat, that transaction code is similar to your activity register or your document register. It shows you a list of everything you've ordered with the DoD document number associated with it. You can also see whether an item is on back order or not. How do I create storage locations? ZPBO-STRUC is the transaction code used to create storage locations in GCSS Army. But there is a caveat to that. You will need to be on the property book force element where you see your UIC ending in the last 2 letters PB, standing for property book. You do have to be in change mode, and if you're not in change mode, you can hit the change mode button if you're using HTML version, or if you're using the WinGUI button, you will select the icon that has the pencil and the glasses on it. And the third caveat to that is that you have to be on the MRP area tab button in order to create a new storage location. How do I order Class 9 supplies? That is not applicable unless you are a ERPS clerk. Class 9 items are still managed by the 92 Alpha or the maintenance section in the system. How do I see my shortages? The transaction code IW38 can be used to see your shortages. Searching by the UIC will be the easiest way to see all of your shortages for your unit. Also in that transaction code, at the bottom of the screen, you will need to change your layout from the default maintenance layout and change it to the shortage annex layout for unit supply. How do I cancel an order? The transaction code MB22 can be used to cancel your day-to-day or operational basic load supplies that you ordered in MB21. MB22 can cancel or modify that order. The transaction code IW32 can be used to cancel or modify your shortages, those missing supplies that you ordered from that end item in IW31. We want to thank all of our viewers. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For new training, visit CiscoCoppagellc.com.